All right, y'all, what's up? So today we are gonna go to Bana. Bana is like an amusement park, or you can call it the Buddha Hand. There's gonna be a lot of statues that we're gonna be seeing, and we're gonna be going pretty high up in the mountains. So right now we're actually on the bus heading up towards the location of Bana, and I'm gonna share all of that with you because this is supposed to be like one of the hottest things happening right now in Da Nang, and I want to share all that with you just in case, like if you ever travel to Vietnam, going to Da Nang and you decide to go here. Hey, at least this clip might help you out so that you can have a good idea what this location, Bana, is all about. So stay tuned, y'all. Let's go ahead and walk in and see where we can submit our ticket and what's going on. So, yep, this is where we are heading to right now. Let me show you guys the location. There it is. Wow, look how pretty this scene. Look at this art on top of the ceiling. The direction right here, and we're just gonna follow the direction as we are going. This is the cable cart that we are trying to get to. Let me show you guys. There it is. Beautiful looking temple. Wow. Let me zoom out for you guys. Bam. So this is the process right here just to get to the cable cart. Um, Definitely make sure you guys bring enough water. Dress comfortably. Wear your shoes. People say it does get pretty cold up in the mountain, but so far I'm sweating, and but I never know. I mean, we're gonna be here pretty much all day, so it could get a little bit cold later. But I did bring a jacket just in case. Gotta be safe than sorry. This is how far we have gone up, and look how high it is. Hello, em. Chạy em qua chứ, go 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 go. Xin chào. We made it. 5 người, 5 người. Đi đi cái xe này đi. Alright, cảm ơn nha, cảm ơn. Cảm ơn. Wow, look at this view, guys. This view is surreal. A little update on the pricing and the tickets, how you can book for Banana and all that is I got my cousin book this ticket for me, but you can actually get the ticket online, or you can just drive and try to get a ticket yourself. But I highly recommend getting stuff online or connecting with like a travel agency to get these tickets. You can go as a tour guide, or you can just go as an individual. The total cost for this for my family is 160. I got tickets for myself and my wife and my two older kids, but my youngest son gets to go in for free at a certain height. It was pretty scary. As you guys saw earlier, I was hoping that he then surpasses the height, which he did not, which is great. You have to take off your shoes though. But yeah, for $160, you get to enjoy this nice scenery. You get to go into the amusement park. You get to have lunch. I heard the buffet here is actually really, really good. So I'm going to share all of that with you as we get closer to the top. And as I'm looking ahead of me right now, I want to show you guys something. Look at the view behind me, guys. We are so high above. So far we have been on this cable car for over 15 minutes. That's how long this cable car is. So take your time, enjoy the view, and soak in everything you can, because this ride is really amazing. We are almost here after 15 minutes on the cable car, and they're still doing construction here. They're still developing in this banana mountain. Let's get ready to step out. Here we go, guys. Hurry up, hurry up. Go, go, go. Welcome to Banana right here, guys. This is awesome. I'm sorry, man. What were you saying about this fancy park?
Fantasy parks where all the amusement rides are.
So is that where we're heading to right
Yes,
now?
and then the Golden Bridge.
Now let me
Golden
tell you.
Buddha
Let me
hands.
ask you about these architecture. Are these like a French architecture kind of style,
French
or
medieval.
it's French medieval? Okay.
Come on, baby. Oh my
Now,
God, this kid is
now
getting-
is this like a historic kind of architecture for how Vietnam French colony used to be?
Yes, but it's a replica.
It's a replica. Yes, of course. Back in the day, nobody lives up here. There was no like cable car for you to go up here. What kind of answer was that?
Just making sure
Okay,
you know,
Mrs. Obvious. Vào công miễn phí, free entrance. Let's, yeah. Woo! Look at this. So this is the fun kids area right here. So wow! Look at all the scary rides. Kaylin, how excited are you?
Super!
Colin, how excited are you?
I'm super!
How excited are you?
I'm super!
Look at they have other rides over here too. So if you guys have like younger kids, there's also like little kids rides so that they don't get scared. Just like my kids right now. This is a perfect ride for them. They got statues for you to take pictures of. That's so cool. They also have bumper cart. If you guys are interested in bumper cart, I'm standing in front of the Wax Museum right now, but I just found out that it is an additional fee. You do have to pay an admission just to get into the Wax Museum. So I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna move on to the next location. There's a horse ride over here, which is pretty cool. It's just for little kids. It rides very slowly. Colin, look at Ray. Look at Kaylin. This is a very big kids playground right here. And as you can see, a lot of parents, we just go in here and just sit down and rest while the kids are playing. That's a good strategy. This is the lower third floor right here. And of course, more arcade. And you guys remember that scary free fall ride I showed you guys earlier? So this is how you guys get to it. This will be the spot right here. Look at that. For all the kids who cannot ride the big ride, they can just come into this big old playground. And then if you're tired, like my wife right here is just sitting here, relaxing while I'm shooting video, working my butt off. And who the hell is screaming? Jesus! One thing I do like about this place is that they have a lot of benches for you to sit, or even like me, lay down while you're waiting for the kids. One thing that I regret about being in this area is that I should have went with my other kid to go on the ride, because I decided not to, and this is what I end up with. A bunch of their clothes, their hat. It's like, what the hell, dude? I didn't pay ticket over here just to hold on to all their clothing while they're enjoying their time. I better get qualified for being the daddy of the year. And look at, see, let me show you. While I'm holding all this, look at the mom over there looking all cute, posing like she's a model and everything. Enjoying her good time while I'm carrying this load of, what, sweaters, jackets. Boy, is this their vacation or is it our vacation? Doesn't seem like it's our right now. Look at that. Let me get on with this. Boy, when you guys hold on to this, I feel like I'm like your chaperone right now. I'm trying to do like a tutorial guide, and next thing you know, I'm holding laundry, I'm holding water bottle, and here mom trying looking like a model over here playing arcade game. The hell is this? We were trapped in that arcade area for the longest time. Woo, I was getting tired. But now let's go on to another adventure, guys. Okay, we are back out in the sky view. What in the world? Dang.
What's over there?
And what's nice that as you guys are walking down these trails, you guys can smell all the food from certain type of restaurant. Look at people are eating. God, it smells good. We finally got the map. Duh. So to get to a different location, you have to jump onto a different cable car. So I thought one cable car would lead us to all the area, but no. According to this map, there's a certain cable car that you have to take to get to a certain location, and that makes sense because this place is really big. Em ơi, đây có phải là đi xuống cái cầu mà có cái tay không em? Cảm ơn, cảm ơn. This is heading to the Golden Bridge, aka the Buddha Palm Bridge. See, cầu vàng. They call it the Golden Bridge is because it's gold. And you know, when you walk through this bridge, you gotta make sure you're not run into people trying to take photos for each other for a souvenir and all that. Look at that, guys. Wow. This guava juice is amazing. So here I am standing in another location and look at the view in front of me, guys. If you guys are near the Golden Bridge, or you can call it the Buddha Palm Bridge in Banana, there's actually a garden trail that you can actually enjoy sightseeing if you really like flowers. It's in the same area. Another thing you got to be aware of when you're going with kids is that they're not willing to walk. No, they get tired very fast, and you have to find a way to carry them. So, yep, that's another thing you got to be prepared about when you guys go into Banana Hill. This guy, he's choking my throat. I think I'm losing breath. Oh my god! Ah. Oh my god! Look at this view, guys. What an amazing view right here. Look at the mountain, guys.
Where?
It's that time of the hour where we need to go get some lunch, and we got tickets to a buffet, so we're heading there right now. But as we're walking to the buffet or the restaurant, look at the view behind me, guys. Look how pretty that view is. I mean, this whole place is like a palace. That's what it looks like. And here we are at our restaurant, our buffet. Tea, bean sprout. Wow. Chow mein. Damn. Wow. Toast. Juice bar here. Mmm. 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 The fried fish has a little fish sauce to it. Mmm. This kimchi is good. Mmm. Yup. My next meal is spaghetti. Mmm. Getting really full, but I heard and I saw that they were cooking pho at this buffet, so I gotta try myself some pho. You cannot end a good buffet without having a bowl of pho, according to me. Boom, right there. Let's grab. It's alright. It's a little bit bland, but I dig it. Alright, so this is dessert. It's like a sweet dessert with coconut. I like the dried coconut too, and the banana. I'm getting full, guys. That dessert that I just had, I just have to have second. I'm sorry, it was just too good. Y'all ever? Oh,
Daddy, wake up!
what happened? Is there more food?
No, we gotta go.
Oh, I thought we were ready to eat again. But let's continue on to another location in Banana Hill. Wow. Let me give you guys my feedback on the pros and cons about Banana Hill, or you can call it Sun World. The pros is the scenery is actually very nice. I actually enjoy looking at the castle, the Golden Bridge with the Buddha hand on the bridge. It's really good for photos. If you guys want to take some really nice photo, definitely this is the location. Good atmosphere. I really like the buffet. The buffet is actually really good. It's clean. A lot of variety of food. I actually ate a lot. I had a little food coma. But the con is that I wish they can do a better job with the mapping. We got the map, and when we were looking at the location, trying to get to every single spot, it was kind of hard because the map, I feel like, is not up to date, and everything is so spread out far. It's like you gotta really get onto a cable car just to get to a different location, and that's a lot of work if you guys have kids. So let's say you guys are going out with you and your loved ones. That's easy. You guys can walk, take your time. But when you guys have kids, which this is supposed to be a kids adventure place, you got to be ready for it because the walk uphill, downhill is a lot of walking. Not that it's a bad thing because it is an amusement park. However, they close at 5, and I can see why. It's because it does get kind of dark around 6, and they want everybody to be safely back on land. So that's why they close early. But everything is so spread out but empty. It's like they make this big old hall, and then you walk in, it's like nobody's in there. So what I think is that they're still developing. They're not fully developed to its max yet. So I think in a couple more years, if I do come back, I would definitely see a lot of change, because I see a lot of construction that is going on right now as I'm speaking. But other than that, above all, I'll give this place an 8 out of 10. And 8 is me being generous, is because of the pricing. It's not bad for a whole family of adventure for $160 all day, including the buffet. I mean, that buffet was an all-star buffet right there. So that's why I gave it an 8 out of 10. The reason why I didn't give them that extra 2 point is because the mapping and everything's isolated so far apart. And but other than that, the service was great. You know, I think I would give them the next 2 point once everything is fully done. There's more activities for the public. But other than that, guys, we had fun. It was a crazy adventure. It was a good experience. And as you guys can see, we are going down from the cable car right now. So I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time.